shooting with an Osmo Action 4. It's about a foot from where I'm talking, and it's an extreme low light shot. In the evening hours, walking a street light or two, and I'm not going super fast. And this is what I could deal with the cameras I have. An action camera. It does a nice job, not much jitter if asked. Mechanical gimbals, digital image stabilization, optical stabilization. You have to make the choice what you like. Get the shot with whatever you have and simply enjoy. YouTube videos. Picky people. They watch a video, what they want to pick. Yeah, did you get it? Well, yeah, there are videos out there, and you try to make one like that, are they going to pick yours to watch? That's the question. I'm kind of observant in the videos I watch, and I want to learn something. I'll find that video and watch it. But when I see one, I do one, and I share one, I don't get as many watches as I used to. I get maybe a smartwatch, a fitness watch, that is. I'm going to be racking up, yes, many videos to come. And I got something like that, I'm going to be stacking up and building. Yeah, I'm a how-to guy. I'm a do-it-yourselfer. And I know how to do things, so I'm a jack of all trades. Oh yeah, hey, I'm Fish. Oh, that didn't go good. What do you do when you ruin your intro? You start all over again. Hey, I'm Fish. Well, thank you for stopping by. We're not ending the video, Fish. We're moving on. We're moving forward. And that's what I'm doing. Well, I'm not sure where I'm going at, how I'm going to be doing this or saying it, but somewhere down this line, it's going to stop. And that's the vlog. Oh, looky here. Somebody didn't want their Razor scooter, their bicycle, or seats, and they just dump it on out. Could be good, could be bad. Oh, yeah. I see you. It's gonna rain. It's gonna get a speck on you, and I gotta get going. I don't want to melt in the rain, but you know, snow's coming in the evening. Just a little bit, they say. Maybe a flake, but it ain't gonna be sticking. See, I promised you the flake. It's right there. Hey, I'm Fish. I thank you for joining, and I appreciate you stopping by. And I'll catch you on many other videos to come. I'm out of here, and I got things to get going. See ya!